Aubergine's got that lovely softness around it, but still quite firm in the middle. It's not soggy. That is perfectly cooked aubergine. Let's go for it right now. One,
Now.
2, 3.
สวัสดีค่ะ
I didn't say that already. We go now. We go
ส
now.
วัสดีค่ะ
Right, hello everyone. No, we don't do it like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Welcome to Backyard Chef. We're here today and we are going to cook one of my favourite dishes actually. Now back in Thailand, it's eggplant with basil and a chilli paste, a bit of minced pork. Here in the UK, we don't have the long eggplant. We are going to still use an eggplant, but it's an aubergine. So let's crack on and show you how it's done. This is a very quick, this is a very quick, easy stir fry, and it's one of my favourites. Come on, let's crack on. Are you cutting the aubergine?
Yes, fine. Me too.
We're not going to bother with water. Well, don't bother with water, we'll just fry it off straight away. Okay? Just cut it up and we'll fry it off. We're not going to... Now, if you're going to leave it for any length of time, what you would do, you would cut the aubergine, you would put it in water to stop it from going brown. I ain't going to bother. Okay, we're going to crack on, I'm going to make this stir fry. It's dead easy, dead quick, and it's my dinner.
We use one enough. Half and then half again.
You're going to cut it across?
Yeah, and we're going to do like a piece like this.
So just cut through your aubergine, cut it into quarters, and then slice it across into about that much, about 1 inch squares. Like I said, this is a simple stir fry to make, and it's one of my favourites. Now the thing in the UK, basil leaves are everywhere. They're strong, they're full of flavour. Now you can get them in any supermarket. So the basil leaves are what we require in this recipe.
Yeah, we need to.
Come on then.
Come on then. We need to do some garlic.
Now you can mince up your garlic if you want, or you can just give it a smash and that's it.
Couple of garlic, couple of chili.
Right, want a little bit of chilies, a little bit of chili heat, but we are going to use some chili paste as well. Now this is my favourite chili paste. I really like this brand. All the way from Thailand.
แม่ประนอม
It's Me Pranom brand, and it is a really nice chili paste, you know. And if you taste it, it's got a full flavour in there. This is excellent. Okay,
Ready?
oil in the pan.
Heat on. This one.
Wok, straight on the heat, little bit of oil. Whoa!
About 1 tablespoon.
About a tablespoon of oil. So a little bit of heat on, and then we're going to chuck the garlic and chilli in there. That's okay. Come on. This is a very quick stir fry. We're cooking for aroma. We're not cooking for it to go brown or burnt in any way. So as soon as we got a bit of an aroma, we're going in with the minced pork.
And one ingredient, we can't miss it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, my turn.
Here's an ingredient, guys. It's salted soybeans. A crucial ingredient for this recipe. It's a unique flavour, and we got this from the Thai supermarket, but you can get it from a Chinese supermarket, and you can buy it online from Amazon. But this is unique to this dish. So there you go. open. Are you cooking on me?
You.
Have we got a smell?
Garlic start to smell nice
That's
and
it.
turn to golden color.
Okay, come on.
You need to put some meat pork in.
Okay, a bit more. A little bit more. No, it's fine actually. That'll be fine, won't it? Now, the thing is with the pork here in this country, guys, it's stringy. You know, it's gone through a mincer, but it's stringy. So we are trying to cook this pork, you know, cook it at least 90%. There's a decent smell coming out of this pan, I can tell you. Right, come on then. Go on, some oyster sauce, a little bit of soy sauce. So we got, what's that, tablespoon?
You have to be careful because the fermented meat is a little bit,
Oh, there's some spice in
a
this
little
pan.
bit salty, so you have to watch it.
Oh, oh! Little bit of sugar. What we got there? About a tablespoon.
No, half.
Half tablespoon of sugar. We got some chili paste. My favourite chili paste. Love this chili paste. We might need a splash of water. Oh, there's the water. A big splash, that. We're giving the pork a bath. Don't worry, it'll cook off. Okay,
In.
aubergine in, chuck it all in. It's a fantastic stir fry, this. It's so easy, you know, and it's so tasty. This really is tasty.
We have to leave it until the aubergine cook before we add the
Basil leaves.
basil leaf. Yeah.
So all we're doing is letting the aubergine cook down, and we're going to chuck the basil leaves in.
Yeah.
Dish done.
Smell really nice.
That's fantastic. For all you people that keep contacting me out there, this is real Thai food made at home. Now, like I say, you would normally use a big long eggplant in Thailand, but this aubergine is an eggplant, and this is so easy to make that Thai dish. This is still eggplant, chili paste, basil and mince. This is real Thai food. Guys, this is dried out just a little bit. We need a bit more water in there to cook this aubergine. And don't be frightened of putting it in. You know, we want this aubergine cooked in there. But okay, we don't want it really soggy and horrible and mush. You know, nice to have a little bit of crunch left in the aubergine. But you know, this is a nice saucy dish. Right, what I need to do is give it a little bit of a taste test. You know, this soybean paste is a little bit salty. Now, we don't want to be adding anything else to this. You know, you don't want to put soy sauce in there or anything till we've tasted it to see how salty it is. It's a bit wet, actually. Has to be thicker. Spicy.
What about this?
That is absolutely perfect. It's not over salty in any way whatsoever. That is delicious.
It's okay. Right?
Tastes fantastic. This is nearly ready, look, to chuck in those basil leaves. This is a little bit of a saucy dish. Right, in they go. Now this is going to change up the flavour altogether. It gives it sort of like a, it's hard to describe, but it turns it into like an aniseedy type flavour. It's amazing. Right, we can turn that off. We can turn that off and we can just stir that through. That smell is unbelievable. That is really unbelievable.
Nice to eat with the rice.
Yep.
You want some rice?
Yep. All we need to do now is serve it up. That is superb. Oh, ready now. Oh. Oh, look at that.
Look very delicious.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
Did
huh? Oh, look at that. Oh, we'll give the pork a go first with the mince. Oh,
No.
well, what? We'll go with the aubergine actually. Oh, hot.
I know.
Oh, that. Oh, there's no words for it.
Aubergine cook perfect.
Oh. Aubergine's got that lovely softness round it. So that lovely softness round it, but still quite firm in the middle. It's not soggy. That is perfectly cooked aubergine. That is delicious.
I can tell. Your mouth watering.
Guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.
Yum.
My favourite.
Save some for me.
No.